Hello friends, welcome to 10 Seconds IQ Adventures, where stories come to life with magic and imagination. Today, we have a very special story about a young boy, a magic paintbrush, and an important lesson about appreciating the beauty around us. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in the beautiful village of Colorvale, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo loved to paint, and he had a very special paintbrush, a magical one. Whatever he painted would come to life. One sunny morning, Leo sat by his easel, painting a bright and colorful rainbow. The red was bold, the blue was deep, and the yellow shined like the sun. But then, something strange happened. The colors from his painting started to disappear. First, the red faded away, then the blue, then the yellow. Soon, the entire rainbow was gone, and Leo's paintbrush stopped glowing. Leo ran outside and gasped. His entire village had lost its colors. The trees were gray, the sky was dull, and the flowers had no life. The people looked confused and sad. Determined to find out what happened, Leo rushed into the forest to visit Professor Hoot, the wise old owl who lived in the tallest tree. Professor Hoot adjusted his tiny glasses and said in a wise voice,
"Ha! Young Leo, the colors didn't just disappear. They faded because people stopped appreciating them. When people forget to notice the golden sunshine, the bright blue sky, and the red roses, the colors slowly fade away."
Leo understood what he had to do. He hurried back to the village and gathered everyone in the town square. "We can bring the colors back, but we have to do it together," he said. He handed out small paintbrushes and encouraged everyone to paint. At first, people were unsure, but then they started painting. Flowers, houses, trees, everything. And as they painted, something magical happened. The sky turned blue again, the trees became lush green, and the rainbow returned, shining brighter than ever. The village was filled with color, joy, and laughter once more. From that day on, the people of Colorvale promised to always appreciate the beauty in their world, knowing that when they do, their lives become brighter and happier. And so, Leo and his village lived happily, surrounded by color and joy. Remember, when we take a moment to appreciate the beauty around us, the world shines even brighter. The end. Now it's time for the quiz. Listen carefully and see how many answers you get right. Question 1. What was special about Leo's paintbrush? It was made of gold. It could bring paintings to life. It could talk. The correct answer is, it could bring paintings to life. Leo's paintbrush was magical. Whatever he painted with it came to life. But when people stopped appreciating colors, its magic faded. Question 2. Why did the colors in the village disappear? A strong wind blew them away. People stopped appreciating them. The magic paintbrush broke. The correct answer is, people stopped appreciating them. Professor Hoot explained that colors faded because people stopped noticing the beauty around them, like the bright sky, green trees, and colorful flowers. Question 3. Who did Leo visit to find out why the colors disappeared? A talking cat. Professor Hoot, the wise owl. A magical fairy. The correct answer is Professor Hoot, the wise owl. Leo ran to the forest and found Professor Hoot, the wise old owl, who gave him the answer to why the village lost its colors. Great job on the quiz, everyone. You've been amazing at answering these fun questions. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wonderful tales filled with kindness, wisdom, fun, and adventures.